Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Sandy, and today I'll be showing you how to make this braided InstaBun wig. Like, this wig is really trending now, and I felt okay, I should show you guys how to make this for yourself if you want to make this. So this is the end result of what I did, and I'll be showing you a tutorial on how to create this. So first of all, this is the wig cap that I used. I actually have a video of this wig cap, how I made this wig cap, so you can check it out, guys. I'll be showing it on the screen on the suggested clip over there where you can check out the video, guys, how to make it. So moving on, I made this wig using a hot glue gun. So you want to start by applying the hot glue gun on that surface, and then you start placing the box braid directly to it. So this is how it's made. Actually, this is box braid, something you can actually make by yourself. I made this one by myself, so I'm just placing it on the parts that I placed the hot glue gun. So guys, that is all that I did for the rest of it. Let me allow you guys to watch the rest of the video and how I did it, and you definitely understand the whole process. So after making this, I just put it in a bun, and then I used the color of headband, which is black, to pairing this with it. So yeah, that is all there is to this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also comment on this video. And to my wonderful subscribers, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for your support. I promise to give you more DIYs, more beauty, fashion, and until our next video, I'll see you guys. Bye.